Okay, so you might be asking, why did we keep the bottom so thick? Well, what we're gonna do is we are going to either make a cut like this for 3 legs, or we're gonna make a cut like this for 4 legs, okay? I'm gonna do 3. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it once, twice, 3 times, just like that. Then I'm going to take and pull it like that. And then I'm going to start pinching and moving the clay into feet. Now, I don't want my feet to get any thinner than my pinky, or they will be too weak. Working with it, pinching it, pushing it. My clay is still plastic. It's not super hard yet. Okay. And since I have my feet out now, I'm going to start putting my name on this a little bit, because I think it'll be able to keep it on there, because before it was just too, like, we weren't totally done at all, and we still aren't totally done at all, but we're further along. So I'll write my initials, M, tap. Don't need this anymore. And now I can start kind of refining it a little more on the inside. So I'm just going to take my hand and just start rubbing it a little more, making sure my walls are the thickness that I want and the form. So I'm gonna have mine kind of come in more. So I'm just rubbing around, and you'll see that my paper is just moving with me. So my pot is staying still.